Alright, so I'm going to be doing some work on my new workbench computer here. This workbench computer actually replaces this computer, which you've seen on my workbench before. Both of these computers were off-lease workstations that I purchased used at Micro Center. This is a HP workstation, came with a 250 gigabyte hard drive, which I had already removed, and I stuck the solid state that was in the old workstation into this computer, and I also transferred the video card that was in the old computer into this computer. Unfortunately, I couldn't migrate the memory because this computer only has 2 memory slots. So, and I don't even know if it's the same kind. This computer uses DDR3 PC 10600 memory. And I also got some more thermal compound to help with the cooling. These workstations are not very good at ventilation, and it's old enough that the thermal compound that's already on it is needing to be replaced. So when I was operating this yesterday, it kind of got quite warm, especially after doing a benchmark test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the heatsink off the CPU and replace the thermal compound on the CPU, and I'm also going to be adding some more memory to this computer. And the first thing I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to remove this video card because it's in the way of the screw hole for the CPU cooler. So, video card's getting removed. It's an EVGA GeForce GT 1030. Move these serial ATA cables out of the way. Just toss them over there and let's move this power cable out of the way. Might as well take the memory chips out while we have everything out. Unbuffered DDR3 memory. Let's go ahead and remove the heatsink. Fortunately, there we go. They're on there, good. A bit more torque. Alright, now that I have the CPU exposed, I'm going to clean off the old thermal compound using alcohol. Clean off the CPU chip itself, and also clean off the bottom of the heatsink. Okay. Add some new thermal compound. Oops. Spread it around evenly. And reinstall the heatsink. Now when you install the heatsink, you want to do the screw holes in diagonally from each other so you don't risk cracking the chip, which would be a very bad thing to do. It would kind of ruin the computer. So I'm going to screw back the heatsink. So I'm going to just do a couple turns on this side. Couple turns on this side, couple turns on this side. Meanwhile, I'm also making sure the screws are actually going into the mount below. Okay, the heatsink is properly installed. Now I'm going to install the new memory chips. These are two 4 GB memory modules. This computer maxes out at 8 GB, so this will give it maximum memory of 8. Go ahead and reconnect to power and the two serial ATA cables. And reseat the video card. Alright, let's fire this computer off, see if it works correctly. Let's see now, F10 setup. English, system information, total of 8 GB of memory. That is good. Save changes and exit. Windows 10. So now if I go under Windows 10 is recognizing 8 gigabytes of memory. And let's open up Specky here. 54 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Celsius. Oh, now it's getting more accurate readings. When it first starts up, it kind of needs to average out the numbers it gets. Right now we're getting 43 degrees. See? There's no way to CPU cool down that rapidly. But yeah, this is working well.